It's Robbie One's beat.
When I'm looking on the south, in the western, in the central, yeah. And I found us was born and I'm grown in the northern Uganda. Uganda, baby, Lobuna, yeah.
Why? The Uganda cranes will never succeed unless they remove tribalism. Uganda crane is one of the most tribalism organization in Uganda. It's very segregated. It is the national football team of the Democratic of the Republic of Uganda. I want to talk about the Fufa drum. Fufa drum is the most loved football league in Uganda, where you find big support countrywide. But which provinces are the ones shining in Fufa drum? All those provinces are not even with the players comprising of those in the Uganda Cranes, which is the national football team. It is so understandable that in Africa, the city people always try to dominate things. But in football sport, it should have been the opposite of that. The dominance should not be taken by force. Look, West Nile, Acholi sub-region, Lao sub-region, Iteso sub-region. Name them and name them. They hardly make it to the national team. Look at Hala and Okelo from Lao sub-region. This is a player who should have been playing in the national team, but where is he? His sideline is not favored, and that is a segregation. Another example, Tito Kelo. He was looked at as a striker who cannot make it at an international football level. Tito Kelo realized his age was running out. Then Tito Kelo changed to South Sudan. He came and scored one goal in Nambole Stadium, and South Sudan beat Uganda. That's very good. Then again, away, when Uganda went away to South Sudan, he again scored another one goal, knocking Uganda out of AFCON in the previous qualification. Thank God even this year, the Uganda Crane has not qualified. No wonder. Uganda Crane is sometimes referred to as Buganda Crane. I'm not being tribalistic. Don't quote me as tribal. It is the system of that sport which is being tribal. Now you want to say people should not talk about it when something is clearly being seen. So until Uganda removes segregation from their national football team, I know there's some kind of balance in the officials. The match officials and the technical officials are in northern, central, west, and whatever they are there. But the players themselves. Glad one of our little guys from, I think, Batoro, now, very good history, but he also persevered a lot of segregation. So unless that is done, Uganda is going nowhere with that football. For now, let's chase for Fufa drum. Thank you.